Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 21 to 27, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see. Sagittarius. Ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong week na to? Ano yung overall energy ng mga Sagittarius? You have the Page of Pentacles. What is your challenge? What is your challenge, Sagittarius? The Fool. Your opportunities, Judgment, and your blessing is Ten of Cups. Wow. Okay. So, Sag, meron kayong gustong alamin, pag-aralan, maybe related sa career ninyo, sa business. Merong sense of excitement dito na gusto nyong subukan. Yung iba actually ginagawa nyo na to, sinimulan nyo na yan. Pwedeng may training kayo ngayon, nag-aaral kayo, or pwedeng research sa mga gusto nyong subukan. It can be a business. And then, meron lang challenge dito. Yung iba, pinag-aaralan nyo, pero natatakot kayong gawin. Like, mag-take action. With the Full card, andun pa rin yung pangamba. Oo. Na paano kung dito mag-work? Pero you're actually doing it na. Ginagawa mo na. Pero very promising to ha. Itong gusto nyong pasukin na can be a new job, a new career, a new project, a new business. So let's clarify, what is the Page of Pentacles? What is the Page of Pentacles? You have the Empress. Wow. Maganda to, Sag. Kasi this is going to be bountiful, fruitful. Ayan. Yung iba naman sa inyo, nagbabalak siguro kayong magkaanak, mabuntis, makabuntis. This is about giving birth. Yung iba naman manganganak na. Oo. So, I see a good start. And parang binibigyan ka na ng preview rito na whatever this is that you are going to start, as long as dedicated ka rito, you are taking care of it, you are nurturing it. Kasi the Empress is also about nurturing, taking care of whatever this is. This can be a career, na alagaan mo, a business. What is the Fool? Two of Swords. Oh, meron ditong undecided pa rin. Alam mo yung tipo, halimbawa gusto mo mag-abroad, no? Nire-research mo na yung pag-abroad, ano yung mga requirements, yung iba sa inyo nagpe-prepare na kayo. Pero yung actual application itself or yung loob nyo mismo, hindi ganun kabuo. So, it's time for you to make that decision. Kayo ba ay, susubok na? Gagawin nyo na ba? There's something that you need to change pagdating sa perspective ninyo, pagdating sa pananaw nyo sa buhay. That is an opportunity for you. What is the Judgment card? The Moon. Merong, yung iba sa inyo, fear of the unknown. Ayan. So, that is something that you need to let go of. Well, kumbaga parang natural yon na kapag ang bagay ay ang isang bagay hindi natin alam, Nakakatakot, 'di ba? Pero ano ba yung kailangan gawin sa mga bagay na hindi natin alam? Alamin natin. O ayan na nga yung ginagawa nyo actually. Inaalam nyo na. So, bakit kayo kailangan matakot? What is the Ten of Cups as your blessing? Queen of Cups. O may fulfillment dito. Emotional fulfillment. Whatever this is that you are starting, you are learning, no? You are trying to open up. This is going to be fulfilling sa inyo. Magkakaroon ka ng fulfillment dyan. Pwede rin tong relationship for some of you na merong solid foundation. As long as aware kayo, meron kayong awareness sa mga pinapasok ninyo. 'Di ba? Alam nyo yung sitwasyon, alam nyo yung magiging, yung posibleng consequences niyan. Oh, look at that. That's the yang energy. Ang yang is about, giving your energy, taking action, initiation, creativity. Wow. So, Sag, meron kayong creative ideas na kailangan nyo na mag-take action para makita nyo na kung ano yung resulta niyan. Wow. Treasure Island. Oh, this is going to bring you treasure. Tingnan nyo, para kayong may na-open na na chest, a treasure chest. See, magkakaroon to ng fulfillment for you. So, don't worry. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay, let's see what else. Wow, look at that. Sun in Leo in the 5th house. And it says fortune. Good fortune is coming in. 5th house is about your creativity. So, kung itong pinuperso ninyo, Sagittarius, related sa creativity, sa creative projects ninyo, pwedeng business, career, or even sa kasi 5th house is also about romance and dating. Merong magsisimulang bagong exciting at meron tong may magandang kahinatnan. You have the Sun in Scorpio in the 8th house, endurance. Kailangan mo ng lakas dito. Lakas ng loob. 8th house is also about other people's money. Anything mysterious din na kailangan mong i-explore. But with the Sun here, you are confident enough to explore those things. Go na. Push nyo na yan. So, tingnan pa natin. Healing. Your finances are healing quickly. Continue to do what's best and you will soon see great results. You have gained the energy that you need. Eto na yon, makabawi na kayo. Lalo na kung nagkaroon kayo ng losses sa pera or sa career ninyo, sa trabaho nyo. Iba nawala ng trabaho. Ngayon, meron kayong ibang path na iti-take. Ibang landas. Yes, there's also collaboration, working with other people. Wow, 2 of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, yung mga kasama nyo rito is very special sa inyo. Pwedeng romantic partner, pwedeng loved one, mahal sa buhay, family member. And, napag-desisyonan mo na to eh. You know what to do. Alam mo na, kailangan na lang ng action. Sa relationship, effort. It takes a lot of effort to keep this relationship going. Kailangan daw mag-effort sa relationship. Kung meron kayong relationship ngayon. Or kung wala naman, kung kayo naghahanap ng person sa buhay nyo, syempre kailangan piliin nyo yung nag-e-effort. Ace of Cups. Uy, mukhang merong namumuong feelings. Wow. Merong person na nag-e-effort sa inyo ngayon. Or mag-e-effort. Whether you are in a relationship or not, this can be your romantic partner or a new person. Merong new person din dito eh. Magpapakita na ng intention sa'yo. And kumbaga parang napaka-obvious na ng taong to. Na kulang na lang magsabi siya ng feelings niya towards you. Or pwede namang ikaw to na meron ka ng namumuong feelings for someone and sapat na yung nakikita mo lang siya sa trabaho. Every hurricane comes to an end. Yung mga naging challenges nyo in the past, tapos na. Tapos na yan. You're about to build a strong foundation this time. It's a new beginning. Huwag ka na matakot dito sa new beginning na to. Because this is going to have great results. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.